Hi everyone, welcome back to Homebody. This is for Lisa. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a winter table setting. And I'm just going to go place by place on how I'm going to get my winter glam effect going on for the 2019 winter season. If you have not subscribed to Homebody, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get started. Okay, so let's get started on creating the place setting. So first I'm going to use my Glam blinged out placemat that I purchased from HomeGoods. I've had this for a while, maybe a few months, and I think it was $7.99 per placemat. Now this placemat came in a set. It was $19.99, and it also came from HomeGoods. And I love this because it has the bling around the rim. I'm going to be using this plate here. This plate came in a set. It was a set of 4. I think it was $12.99 from HomeGoods. Now, I wasn't able to find the salad plates to match this particular plate, but I did have another plate that was very close to it that I'm going to be using in my table setting. And I also have the bowl that actually go with this plate here. Okay, I had to reposition my camera so you can see the glasses that I'm using. Now these glasses actually came from Z Gallery. Both of these glasses came from Z Gallery, the flute and the actual wine glass. And I'm going to be using this particular napkin here, came from Z Gallery. However, this is a totally dazzled brooch that I DIY'd my own napkin ring. This particular bling sticky back came from Hobby Lobby, and I just actually wrapped it around the napkin and threaded my totally dazzled brooch in the middle of the bling, and I'm going to be using that right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the rest of the tablescape. Don't forget to subscribe to Homebody if you have not already done so, and I hope you guys are enjoying the year. I'm going to show you guys the rest of the table. Okay, you guys, so this was a very simple, elegant winter table because I only have it set for 2, as you guys can see. I actually use my candles here during Christmas time, but they're perfect for winter. These are some candle holders. I think they came from Z Gallery, and these candle holders actually came from Dollar Tree. These candles here actually came from Home Goods, if I'm not mistaken. So what I did here was just place some little party balls in this is actually my my vase. I love this vase. I had this vase for maybe about 7 or 8 months or longer. And I think I paid like $80 or so for this vase. And the flowers actually came from Z Gallery. Now, I think everything came out pretty nice for the winter. I'm not sure if you guys saw my previous video, which was a tour of my living room. If you notice, my table runner is the exact same color as my drapes in my living room. I'm going to try to get in there and see. You can see it from here. I am filming at, so I'm filming at night, so it's kind of dark in here. The lighting in here when I use my phone is kind of yellow, but this room here is flowing well with my my kitchen, my family room, and my master bedroom. You guys can see that. So yeah, so everything's falling into place for the winter. I'm so excited about the spring. Can't wait till the spring comes along so I can start putting out the spring decor. But anyway, this video is about winter. So this is the end of this video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to Homebody. Give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.